There's the doggo. So moving away. So he can have his fun. Alright. Ah, shit, the timer. I always forget. Alright. Come on, antenna, come on. Oh, you can give me more. I haven't used the regular 6 dB gain one in a while. Still rocking the massive antenna for the 10 dB gain, even though it's wonky. Might need to do another 3D printed 3D printed base so it's a little bit more stable. And that's the problem with 3D printed stuff. You can't like torque them too high because they crack and stuff. So I might need to ask someone to help me print one in a solid. So, oh, another deck. So it's solid and not a hollow one. So I can drill it or make it thinner without problems of falling apart and not holding. So I'll figure that out, especially if it breaks and then I have no options since I have a massive antenna that's kind of weighing on the 3D print part. If I used the smaller one, I didn't have the problem, but here we are. Doggo. Second doggo. It's pretty nice that this thing hovers in barely 25%. That's pretty cool. There he goes. There's the doggo. Doggo number 2. Whoa! Forgot that I... Oh, that was close. Oh. That was crazy close. And I think I bought a... I think it's just for painting or whatever, extension tubes for like a roller for painting the side of your house. I did buy one and I have it in the Amazon whatever special discount couple days that they have. I don't know what it's called. I bought one. I have it in the car, but just that's crazy high where it was. Oh, that's good. That was too close. At that point, I would just start throwing crap at the tree to loosen it up because it was at the edge of it, but hopefully it doesn't happen. Nice.